If you're like most small businesses I work with, your days are packed. You're juggling calls, invoices, staff questions, and somewhere in there you keep hearing that AI could make your life easier. But every explanation sounds like you need a tech degree just to get started. I'm about to show you exactly what an AI assistant is, walk you through real examples that actually make sense, and stick around to the end because I'll set one up live in under 3 minutes to prove to you how easy it is to get started. Hi, I'm Jacques and I help local businesses like yours cut through the AI confusion and focus on what matters. How to actually use AI in your business today. If you want help with that, book a free strategy call through the link in the description below. Whether we'll work together or not, you'll walk away with more clarity about AI and what it could do for you in your business. Being a small business owner means you wear, 10, maybe 15 hats? You're answering phones, quoting jobs, chasing invoices, training staff, posting on social media, and still trying to grow the business. You want to use AI, you know it could help, but where do you even start? It just feels overwhelming. I used to feel the exact same way. I heard about ChatGPT and thought, okay, that sounds cool, but how does that actually help me run my business? Here's the thing I realized. People are making AI sound way more complicated than it is. And today we're going to break it down so that it finally makes sense. You know how ChatGPT is basically an AI you can chat with? Well, you can create a custom version of that trained on your own business info. Just like training a new employee, you show them the ropes, your prices, your way of talking to customers, your systems. With AI, you just type all of that info into its memory, which is called a knowledge base. The result? A virtual assistant that knows your business inside and out. It's not just answering questions, it can actually do things for you. Let me give you some real-world examples that you can actually use. So I set up a few custom AI assistants for different local businesses. Here's what that looks like. First up, training Tony. Got a new employee starting Monday? Tony can walk them through your exact processes. Where to find supplies, how you deliver your services, how to talk to customers. Every time they would come to you and ask you something, they can go and ask Tony instead. Next, content creator Clara. Let's say you want to quickly create a Facebook post about a recent job you finished. Send a follow-up email to a customer, make a simple flyer or ad for your seasonal offer. Clara handles all of that fast, in your voice and tailored to your local area. No more sitting there and not knowing what to write. And then there's quote helper Quinn. Let's say you get a request for a job that's similar to work you've done before. Instead of you digging through your files, Quinn can quickly scan your previous proposals, pull up your standard job costs and make sure you don't miss parts, labor or the little details that add up. Real examples, real problems solved. Now, in just a second, we're going to get into building one of these AI assistants live, but I want to pass the question off to you. Where are you losing the most time in your business today? Let me know in the comment section below and I can make a video about it to help you. And if you've been getting value out of this video, hit the like button. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great and all, but also complicated. Here's the truth. If you can type an email, you can set up an AI assistant. You don't need to code, you don't need to be a tech wizard, you just need to know your own business, which you already do. But I'm not just saying this, I'm going to show you. I'm about to build a working AI assistant live in real time with a timer on screen so you can see exactly how quick and simple it is. Let's get started. I'll use ChatGPT's custom GPT feature for this. You do need a ChatGPT Plus account to build one of these, which is currently $20 a month, but you'll see in a minute how much time and hassle it saves. We are in our ChatGPT interface and what we're going to do is click on GPTs and then create. And then we can start our timer. We're going to call it ABC Heating and Cooling Assistant. That's going to be our fictitious company for the day. You are an AI assistant for ABC Heating and Cooling, a local HVAC company. And then we can even have it create a logo for us. So that's the description, and for the instructions, I'm going to copy those over and read them. So that is basically telling it what it should do. You are a virtual assistant for ABC Heating and Cooling, a local HVAC company serving Springfield and surrounding areas. Oh, we got a nice little logo. Your job is to answer questions and provide friendly and accurate information to customers. Always be polite, professional and clear. If you don't know the answer to a question, politely let the customer know that you'll pass the message to the team. Use the business information provided to answer the below questions. And those questions, this is a random HVAC company. I'm sure yours is similar. So you have information about your services, your service area, your prices. So what you can do is you select all with Control All, then Control C to copy it. And then what you can do is you go to ChatGPT and you ask it to format this in a clear way, so that I can use it to train my custom GPT. And then what we're going to get is some clearly formatted information that we can give to the GPT as its knowledge base. Okay, that takes some time apparently, but that's exactly what I did here with our company ABC Heating and Cooling. So we have the contact info, business hours, services, pricing, and some FAQs. So we're going to go back to the GPT, and that is over here, knowledge. So we're going to go upload files, and then we're going to take that file and open it. And it's going to get uploaded over here. There we go, and that's already it. So then we click create and update. And then we actually already finished. So we can stop our timer under 3 minutes. There we go. We can click on View GPT, and then we can ask it questions. So we can say, okay, let's let it load for a second here. So we'll say, what are your services? Searching my knowledge. And there we have the services that we gave it. What is your pricing? Okay, we got the pricing, all correct. We can say, what are your service areas and your business hours? There we have it. So we're getting professional and clear and correct answers about everything that's in our knowledge base about our business. There you have it, an extra team member that knows everything about your business. If you want to see how this or other AI solutions could look like specifically for your business, book a free strategy call below. For now, only you can use this assistant, but in my next video, I'll show you how to put it right on your website so your customers can get instant answers 24/7, helping you catch more leads. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video, and if you found this helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.